Initial testing of the PowerMaster recyclone mill began in 1976 at Ford County, Kansas. As you can see from this file tape, the municipal solid waste is pushed onto a conveyor and then processed through the first generation recyclones. Also shown during this first demonstration period was that vectors such as birds, rodents, insects, and blowing trash were virtually eliminated. It was proven that landfill cover was no longer needed. Landfill life expectancy could be increased by 100%. In 1986, this facility was upgraded and enclosed to prepare for indoor processing, and also to prepare the facility for composting of municipal solid waste. While processing the solid waste through the recyclone to prepare it for composting, 20% of the weight is lost through evaporation. Processed waste was then placed into windrows 1,000 feet long, 7 feet high, and 18 feet wide. The PowerMaster Corporation developed and manufactured the second-generation PowerMaster, the second-generation recyclone installed in Dodge City, Kansas in 1989. This recyclone operated at Dodge City under test conditions for 1 year and processed an average of 65 tons of municipal solid waste per day. Maintenance averaged approximately $150 per month. This is a routine day's load of municipal solid waste being processed through the PowerMaster recyclone. And here we have the solid waste being loaded onto the conveyor prior to entry into the PowerMaster recyclone. Now we have the MSW being entered into the recyclone. Throughput ranges from 12 to 18 tons per hour. Then you can see the same municipal solid waste as it comes out of the recyclone prepared for composting. Particle size for composting is easily controlled and modified by the PowerMaster recyclone mill. Here is an application of the recyclone for processing at Eagle River, Wisconsin, Vilas County. The recyclone processing system was installed at Eagle River, Wisconsin for the purpose of extending the life of the landfill by 100 to 120% and for eliminating vectors. There are no birds, insects, blowing trash, and virtually no odor. Eagle River is the cleanest facility operating in the state of Wisconsin. The PowerMaster recyclone has a 33-year operating history of complete safety and no explosions. Again, the reason for processing solid waste through the recyclone at Eagle River is first to double or more than double the life expectancy of the landfill, and secondly, to eliminate vectors such as birds, odor, blowing trash, and rodents, and in northern Wisconsin, black bears.
Standing out here in 110-degree heat. We have the nicest view in the area anyway, huh? Just wanted you to see that we actually have real garbage here now. It's not the fake.
This is the grinder, enclosed conveyor, collection bed, compactor unit. Shredded materials compacted into that large push-out type enclosed roll-off, taken out to the compost yard. This is an air filtration system that's a combination of both a bag house and a cyclone. This is a control panel that runs absolutely everything in the plant. It's computer controlled and operated. These little babies run around $80,000 to $100,000.
It's virtually up. This is the shredded material, obviously, and as you can see, the plastics can be readily screened out of it and the organics are readily compostable. We're waiting here. The city has applied for its composting permit, has all of its equipment, and we are inventorying shredded material for composting. These guys have got some pretty nasty stuff. On the other side of this wonderful generator is another conveyor and our grinder. Material comes out of that, goes up this conveyor, goes into this other power screen unit, and the fines are separated out to be sold for soil and fill, and the larger material comes out the conveyor, goes up this conveyor into this trailer, possum belly trailer, and is shipped off for fuel and particle board. So it's almost a circle. If I just keep going past that, I come back around to the original pile, the first screen. And the first screen, what happens is they have a magnet here that pulls off some metal. The fines come out of these conveyors and are stacked over here. The larger material then comes out the end conveyor and becomes part of the pile that then feeds the primary system where it's inspected, sorted, run through our grinder, out an enclosed outfeed conveyor, into another power screen, out of that power screen onto a conveyor that then goes into this trailer for shipment.
Does love that rock.
Okay. Okay, now move the
Down.